Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to register as a Salesforce developer. To do so, you will need simply to go to the developer website of Salesforce. So you can simply type developer.salesforce and then it will take you to the developer Salesforce. Or you can simply search for Salesforce for developer like this in your web browser and then you can go to Salesforce developers. So you click on it and then you can browse a trial. So simply you can sign up. You click on sign up and then it will take you where you can start creating your account. And also you can just browse the trial. So for example, to see all the other plans or the other features, and you go to Salesforce Developer Edition, you click on sign up, and after that you will need just to fill in the information or fill in the form of signing up, and then you will need just to click on sign me up, and of course you will need to agree to the main service. So you will add your first name, last name, email, and the role job that you want, either a developer, your company name, you can do anything, and of course the country and region and the postal code for this country and region. At the end, you will need just to create a username, or a username will be created to you depending on your first name and last name. You can change it, of course, if you would like, etc. Then you will sign me up, and then they will send you an email of confirmation in your inbox to this email address that you have added, and that's it. And now, after that, you will need just to go to login so you can be able to log in to your developer organization. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.